Hey everybody, Eric SOLOBOX. So my mailman just rolled through with something besides more bills. And so I've been eagerly awaiting this for about, I don't know, 8-9 years. I've been putting off doing this. So actually that's not true. I did make some a while back, but they didn't come out very good. So these are some stickers that I've been waiting on that I really can't wait to see. So let's take a look and see what we got. Now these are specifically made for the sides of the cases, which is something that, although I have made stickers in the past, they weren't made for the cases. These are actually made to go on the cases. Ooh. Looks like I gotta cut them out maybe myself. Oh, wow. Those are sweet. It's like a matte finish too. There's like no gloss to them. These are beautiful. Looks like I'm gonna have to get a one of those paper cutters, and I'll be able to chop through and make them all nice and straight. These are great. Yeah, because I'm gonna want to cut some of these up. I'm sure that customers are going to want some of these. I get guys all the time that are asking if I have SOLOBOX stickers. So I will probably be giving some of these away to guys. Matter of fact, maybe I'll include in this video my mailing address, and if you can send me a self-addressed stamped envelope, maybe I could send 2 of these back to you. So I'll put that in the description, and yeah, these look great. So I want to get the first set on some boxes. I'll do that later today, and maybe I'll put some pictures in the comments also. Anyway, Eric with SOLOBOX. Talk to you soon. Ride safe.